Nandito kami sa
I'm sorry.
fruits, vegetable.
I don't know also which is the good one. How much is that?
It,
70 cents each. So,
Seems like
yeah, I know.
kamatis nila. Uyas na puti.
Sometimes I pick up good, but sometimes more than good.
Presyo nila. $1.28 per libra. Wala yan.
Malambot ang iba.
Piliin mo lang yung
Oo, medyo matigas. Okay, it's good.
tapos
Ito yung listahan natin, no? Okay. Paikot mo dyan. Sayote,
magkano presyo na sayote?
$2 bawat isa. Palitan natin tong isa.
Lalaking kamatis. Oh. Ang presyo niya $1.98 per libras. Ang sibuyas 84 cents per libras, pero lalaki oh.